Hello guys, good afternoon. Today I made macaroni cooking cream. So the remedies are coriander leaves, garlic, and onions. Yeah. Okay. And olive oil, start olive oil, fry onions, garlic, and then the leaves, and following will be coriander leaves. And then the spices are black pepper, cumin, turmeric, and yeah, and black pepper. Don't forget magic. Instead of salt, I put magic. Okay, and that's it. And it's probably comes so yummy. Yeah, with cooking cream. That's it. Okay, guys, click that bell to be notified. Like, comment, subscribe, please, and share. Thank you and have a great day.